Recently I was out in the country and I had the opportunity to have a very intimate relationship with the ants. There are big black ants, there are little red ants, there are all kinds of ants, but the real truth of the matter is all the ants have a lot in common. So much so that apart from their color and their size, I can't tell one from another. Well, I tell you, if someone were, out in space and looking down at Earth, I'm not sure they would have that much ability to tell one person from another. We too are very much alike. And part of yoga is recognizing the commonality of humankind. The big ones, the red ones, all of us. We are just inextricably bound to each other by anatomy, physiology, and of course, our common planet. So what I'm going to urge you to do is to take seriously the name, the Sanskrit root for yoga, which is to join, to bind, to unite. And take a short time. This is not speculative. This is reality show here. Um, I ask you to appreciate, to attempt to appreciate your common bond to all other individuals. Some might extend this to all mammals. I don't know about that. But to all people, we share reason. Our minds are so alike. We may not have the same opinions about reality, but what is rational, what follows from what, we all believe the same things. We're all the same. All A's are B and all B's are C, then all A's are C. Nobody will dispute it. It's kind of one of those nice things that both makes you feel empowered and humble at the same time. And those are both pretty good things to feel. If you're lying down, palms up, knuckles on the floor, lift your head to lengthen the nape of your neck. Slide your heels out so your Achilles tendons get longer. Let your hands slide down towards your hips. Let both the shoulder blades get part of the planar surface below them. And that's the other part of this unity. That's your mind with your body, with the rest of you. I wouldn't limit it to your body. I'd put in it your history, to your past, and if we get a little bit adventurous, your future. These are all immutable parts of you, except for the future, which it may not be immutable, but it follows from who you are, that's for sure. Just as who you are follows from who you were. So now I'm going to give you a minute to get quiet. You can appreciate these connections with all other beings and with the details about yourself. I see them into one compendious, it's okay. So what I've asked you to do is to kind of appreciate not where you are, but who you are. And it's enough for now. Are you a ship captain or a ticket taker or an accountant? Never mind that. It's just you who take on those things. So I'm going to go. And one of the joys of the Zoom is that I can go and you can stay. You can keep doing what you're doing if it pleases you. See you next week. Good night.